Hi, I'm Anthony Broderick. I teach the Manufacturing Technologies program, and it's a chance to contribute back a lot of my experience from industry to a lot of our future students out there getting out of high school or a lot of our returning vets. Well, for the Manufacturing Technologies program, what we have here, we like to meet industry standards. So the courses that we teach are precision measurement, a lot of our industry standard blueprint reading for production, and all of our students get over 100 plus hours on manual machining and another 200 on automated CNC technologies. Most of our students, they should be confident that when they walk away, they're walking away with what are in-demand certifications that right now there is both on federal, state, and industry-wide demand for, and programs and promotions for. Here at St. Philip Southwest Campus, when our students come in, we make sure that they are getting something that is recognized by industry. This is a chance to get with industry experts here. That's our faculty here. Nobody here is teaching directly out of another training program. We are people that have multiple years in industry. My faculty and staff here have history with prototyping firms, special effects artists. So we are very experienced. If you have any questions, do not be afraid to ask us. We're the stepping stone.